So this video is going to tell you about how to access or get in or log in into the website, and then some frequently asked questions regarding accessing the video. So let's start. I click on the login icon here, and since I do not have any login, I am just writing on sign up. So I fill up my name and email address and password and other details. I write my bio if any, and then I accept terms and conditions, and I'll say I'm not a robot. I say complete sign up. I get a message, you have successfully created account. Now I need to go and visit my email address. I can see email from Training Proton Synergy. There is a link given. I just click on that. I land on the page, and wherein I click on activate. I can see my name appearing on the right side. Now I just go down and say subscribe. Now I say take this course, and I am now going to pay for the course. Here I'll say proceed to checkout. I need to fill in my details once again for billing here in this area, and then I have to choose either direct bank transfer, PayPal or InstaMotion. Place the order. Once the payment is done, either I will be landing on this page wherein I can scroll down and click on subscribe, or else I will land on this page where I can see now there is start course. Now here I would like to give a very important information. Now this course, the videos are accessible for maximum 3 number of times. So now once you log in, there is no issue, but once you say start course, your one attempt has been counted. That's why you should click on this button or icon only when you're sure that you want to take the course. Now I'm sure that I want to take the course, so I say start course. Now default I will be landing on video number 1. In this screen on left hand side you can see advanced pipe stress comprehensive course. I just drop off the menu. Here you have got all the modules. Now these modules are going to get released one after another in sequence every alternate day. For example, today if you start with this module, then day after tomorrow, exactly after 48 hours, the second module will get released, then the third, then the fourth. Now in this first module we have got 3 different units, or I can say 3 different videos. They are of the time say 25 to 30 minutes. Now once I click here, the video appears on right hand side, and now you can see on the screen the video number 1 is on, and here you can see you can access this unit 8 more times. Now you will wonder that how come it's 8 more times. The reason is very simple. What we have done here, we have got 3 videos. So in case you log out from here after watching only first video, and if you log in once again, your one count will go. And that's the reason you have been given these many attempts at the start, since it's a the lockdown offer is going on. That's the reason. Otherwise we are expecting that you should watch all 3 videos one after another without logging off. Fine, but by chance if you log off, then there are sufficient number of trials given to you, and each trial is being counted here. Now I am clicking on video number 1. So this is my first attempt going on, so 8 more are left. Now I can start the video. Say from the beginning. Okay, now you can see here there could be access 7. So there is a chance that the access can be counted, and that is the reason we have given you the 9 number of iterations. Okay, even though on paper we are saying it's only 3. Now once this course is complete, you have gone through the video. If you come back immediately, it will be counted as one attempt. So you need to complete this 30 minutes, and if you want to come back, you can come back once again. Okay, now once this course is completed, there is a bar here which says mark this unit complete. If you do not do it, and if you go to the video number 2, then it is inactive, so you can't access this video. So first I need to do it as mark this unit complete. A right tick appears. Now if I go to the second video, now this video is accessible. Now you can see it still says that 8 more number of times it is accessible. We have given this only for a specific time. Okay, so now you can watch this video completely. Now I pause it. I say mark this unit complete. A tick mark sign comes. Now I can go to the third video. Now you can see 8 more attempts are there. So now this facility is being given only for limited number of time till we are sorting out some backhand issues regarding this count. Once the backhand issue is solved, this attempts will go back to 3 numbers. So I play this video. Okay, number 3. Now after I complete the video, you can see at the end, I will be now clicking on continue, mark this unit complete. Now once you have this, you can see here the next unit is proceed to quiz, that is you need to take a test. Now if you want to go to the previous unit, you can go from here as well. You will be going to unit number 2, that is video number 2, I mean to say. Now you can see now the 7 attempts are remaining because now you are watching this video second time, that's why. Now I'm back to the video number 3 and now I want to proceed for quiz. So I say proceed to quiz from here, or I can click the quiz here as well. Both are okay. Now I can see start quiz, right? I click on this. It's asking you are about to start the quiz. Please check and confirm that you want to begin it. I say confirm. Now the quiz time is 15 minutes and there are either 10 or 15 questions which are multi-choice. So you need to tick against each right answer. So once the quiz is complete, I say submit quiz. I say confirm. It may take some time to land on this page as your answers are being checked live. Then you click on check results. So here are your marks. So I precisely scored 9 out of 15. So here you will come to know which questions you could not answer well, and if you want to go back and study the same part once again, you can print the results from here. Now after this first module is completed, you may think that you can jump on to the second one, but right now it is not, because we are expecting that you should do your self-study as well. So if I try to go here, I may get a message here that it needs 1 day, 23 hours, 45 minutes, 38 seconds to start. So day after tomorrow it will start. Okay. Now this question is being asked why this is so. You to study further up. Precisely the course has been designed in a way that we want to encourage the self-reading as well. We are thinking on this probability or possibility that we can give you access to all the videos one after another, but it may take some time of a week or 2 to get back to this. At present the website has been designed in this way. Okay, so we are encouraging you to read even something else and not only what we are teaching you. So once this is done, now very importantly, you have to go to the left hand side scroll bar. Do not say finish course. I repeat, don't say finish course. You say that back to the course. Okay, if somebody wants to take the once again any of the video, he can check. That's very well possible. Okay, and he can repeat the module 1. Once module number 2 is activated, you take that module, and if you wish to go back to module number 1 again, you can still go to the module number 1. So it's not like once you have done, if your attempts are still balanced with you, then in those cases you can go back. Okay, now I scroll down here and I say back to the course. I land on this page. Suppose while taking up the course, in between there is some problem and you log off, or you did not complete the video and you landed back to this main page, and if you say now continue the course, which is your second login, so once you say continue the course, automatically when you land on this page, you will come to know that your one attempt has been counted. Okay, and that is the reason we have given you more number of attempts, despite of the fact that our commitment is each video can be accessed 3 times. Okay, so all these counts are being checked at the back end, and that's why we suggest you to take the course or click the button that take the course or continue the course only if you are very much serious that you want to watch the video. Okay, once this is done, I can go back to my original website by clicking on back to course, and now I can click on home button, or else I can log off.